Hey there, fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review of Sundowner Lodge in Piet Retief, an ideal stopover place to break your journey between the Highveld and the coast. Sundowner Lodge is situated at the western edge of Piet Retief on the main tar road near the traffic circle. This means that traffic is traveling fairly slowly at this point, and once we were in our van, we were not affected by road noise at night. There are 6 level campsites on lush grass, one of which also has a large paved area. All are serviced with a blue caravan plug, a light, and a brick braai. There are some overflow sites under dense canopy of trees on bare ground, and these also have power points. There are no water points in the campsite, but you can get water at the outside scullery. The bathrooms are modern and clean, with spacious showers, hot water from gas geysers, and flushing toilets. Behind the ablutions, there is a scullery area for the washing of dishes and a deep tub for hand washing clothes. There is a pub on site which serves tasty food at reasonable prices. Next door is a large shopping centre with a Pick n Pay, Dis-Chem, a load of other shops, and a fuel station. The property is securely fenced, has perimeter lights and access control, and we have always felt very safe there. Being in a town, there is good cell reception, although, as in many places, the towers can go down during times of load shedding. Sundowner Lodge offers free Wi-Fi, but you may need to move closer to the reception area to access it. The lodge has gas, solar panels, inverters, and a generator to assist in times of load shedding. We've overnighted in Sundowner Lodge a number of times and have always felt refreshed and ready for the next day's journey. Well, that's it for this one. Stay safe, be well, and hope to catch you on the road sometime.